Here we're working on a 2008 Honda Pilot, all keys lost. Sorry for the glare. Pilot. Blade key. We continue. Yes. We gotta turn the switch on. And we'll see how long this takes, and we'll be back. Here we're back on our 2008 Honda Pilot, all keys lost. So we have this third generation immobilizer. Key, add key, all keys lost. I'm just doing one. Yes. Yep. Turn the ignition off. Turn the ignition on. Ignition off. Back on. The immobilizer light go out? Yes, it did. Continue. Off. Back on. There we go. Current number keys 1. Registration of the key is complete. Turn the ignition off. Okay. Check all keys, ensure. So start the engine. So we'll check the immobilizer light. There it's on. Now it's back off and it's staying out. We'll go ahead and start it. Okay. And there you have it. 2008 Honda Pilot, all keys lost, programmed with the Ninja.